Question, do you guys use a lot of garland and wreaths to decorate for the holiday season? Does it take you hours to figure out how to lay it out again? Because last year was just so perfect. This year, it's going to take you 5 hours to figure out how to do it again. So if you want to see the tips I use, keep watching. I have a very minimalist approach to Christmas. I really just love garland with pine cones and berries. I love the decor that I already have out, so I just want to enhance it for the holiday season. Okay, my first and number one tip, take pictures. That's half the battle. Take pictures before you decorate and then right after you decorate. That way you have a visual to work with. It makes it so much easier. It's the simplest way to be more productive the following year. Tip number 2, pack by location. I pack everything that's on the sofa table, I pack together. Everything that's on the coffee table, I pack together. I label that. Doesn't have to be pretty. I just pack by location. Our house is smaller than most. If you have a large house that you probably have, I don't know, 30 candles that you use throughout the whole house for the season. Well, it might be easier for you to pack all of your candles together, which is completely fine. There is 1 or 2 instances that I do pack by item, not location, which I will show you in the video. So for tip number 2, the first thing we're gonna do is grab trash bags, like 1 or 2, and shopping bags from the grocery store, and a Sharpie marker. That's it. And it doesn't have to be, these are not, we're labeling the bags. We don't need pretty labels. This does not need to be pretty. No one's going to see it. And probably next year, you might need to get new bags because usually the stuff will go through the bag and rip it. So like I said, it doesn't need to be pretty. It just needs to be readable. So I start in the kitchen first. I'll start with the kitchen tins. I take the garland on the left side of the tins and put it in its own shopping bag, which is clearly labeled. I then will do the same for the center and the right side. Also, this garland was a 9-foot piece of garland that I used in another house. I couldn't use it here, so I just decided to cut it up and sprinkle it throughout the whole house. So now I take down the teardrop garland. By the way, I had to look it up what the hell it was even called. Another little tip. Whatever you hang your wreaths or garland up with, keep it with that item so that you're not looking through the entire house next year for something to hang this up with. So I always keep the command strips or the wreath hanger with the wreath or the garland for next year. So I do the same for the coffee table as well as the sofa table for all the garland. They each have a shopping bag that's labeled with the correct piece in it, and that's, lightly tied, and then we put into the trash bag, which is also labeled. So basically my whole house is packed up by location except for the 2 wreaths. They're packed together because they're the same exact wreath, same size, and they fit perfectly in the wreath bag with the wreath holder. So that is packed by like item. I use 2 wreath bags to store all of my wreaths and garland. So my tree is down now, and all I have left is the tree skirt, 3 stockings, a Santa sleigh, and of course the elf to pack up. So for my tree skirt, I hang it on a hanger, and then I have my stockings and the elf will be placed into a pillow, plastic, you know, when you buy a pillow, those plastic bags that it comes with, because it has a little handle that I then take and just hook onto the hanger, and that will be hung in my storage. I will show you where I store my stuff. It's not very big. And this is where I store my stuff. It's not much, but it works and I can make it fit. So guys, I hope these tips were helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and hit the notification bell. Share it with your friends and family, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Say bye, Gus. Say bye. Oh, bye. No. Oh, say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.